Hello, I'm Gourav Dutta, and many of you may know me for my previous two workshops at Shopkeepati. I'm more than happy to be back here again at Shopkeepati, and this time I will be teaching two workshops. First one will be on May 10th, and the second one will be on 7th of June. On May, we will be painting this painting of Monet's Garden. All of you may know him, Claude Monet. So we will be painting his garden, his lily pond especially. So this is the painting that we will be going to do that time. And we will be painting a Parisienne cafe during our longer workshop, which will be on 7th of June. So this is going to be the painting. So I hope you will enjoy the workshops. I have designed them in such a way that it is comfortable for people from every age group, whether you are a beginner or an intermediate artist. So I hope to see you there, and I hope you had a great time. And also this video includes a small clip of me painting this Parisian cafe. So do check out the full video. Alright, bye for now. I hope to see you in my workshop, and I hope we all will be having a wonderful time then. Bye.